we are going to be reviewing the AlertWorks EAR-10.
Center for the Missing has issued a Houston Regional Amber Alert.
Oh my god.
Central Georgia. Central Georgia. Southwestern Central Georgia. Central Georgia. Central Georgia. And West Central Georgia. 45 between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard flooding caused by heavy rain. Source Doppler radar. Impact flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, and underpasses, as well as drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations will experience flash flooding include Griffin, Fayetteville, Jackson, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Stockbridge, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, Collins Park, Fairburn, Monroe, and Hayesville.
That one.
Possible in the warned area. 2 p.m. in Atlanta. Heavy rain and flood.
That scared the living crap out of me. Yeah. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, Newton County in north-central Georgia, Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. At 3:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source Doppler radar. Impact flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Lawrenceville, Decatur, Conyers, Covington, Sandy Springs, Dunwoody, Duluth, Sugar Hill, Snellville, Suwanee, Beaufort, Wilburn, Chamblee, Norcross, Dorville, Clarkston, Russellton, Stone Mountain, and Dacula. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't key drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Butts County in central Georgia, Clayton County in north-central Georgia, Fayette County in north-central Georgia.
Okay, let me just ask you one thing. That went off. Okay. This went off, that went off, and that went off. However, AlertWorks, allow me to ask you one question. Why do you have an unrecognized warning? Yeah, it's supposed to be flash flood, not unrecognized warning. Yeah, unrecognized warning. That's just wonderful. Here we go, another one.
The National Weather Service indicates the city has issued a flash flood warning for Allen County in north central Georgia, Governor County in north central Georgia, Central Fulton County in north central Georgia, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. At the 3:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area, between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain has fallen. Expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Sandy Springs, Roswell, John Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, Milton, Kennesaw, Duluth, College, Villanova, Powder Springs, Austell, Fair Oaks, Lithia Springs, Midtown, and Mountain Park. Additionally, rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't T-drop when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for DeKalb County in north central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, Newton County in north central Georgia, Friday morning, County in north central Georgia, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. At 3:34 a.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area between 1 and 3 inches.